Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a spanner set. These will be essential for accessing the hinges and making the necessary adjustments. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 330 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, place the laptop on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the plastic clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris using compressed air. This not only helps with the hinge adjustment, but also improves overall performance. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in good hands. Now locate the hinges on either side of the laptop. You may notice that they are loose or misaligned. To adjust them, use the spanner to tighten the screws that hold the hinges in place. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause further issues. If you find that the hinges are still not functioning correctly, it may be time to consider replacement. After adjusting the hinges, it's important to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop, ensuring that all clips are aligned. Replace the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel in place. Once everything is back together, power on your laptop to test the hinges. Open and close the lid several times to ensure smooth operation. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well, ensuring you know the costs up front. Adjusting the hinges on your Lenovo IdeaPad 330 can significantly enhance your user experience. And with these steps, you can do it yourself with confidence. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.